Poland is located in Central Europe and shares borders with Germany, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Ukraine, Belarus, Lithuania, and Russia. The official language of Poland is Polish, which is also spoken by communities in other countries such as the United States, Canada, and Australia. Poland has a diverse landscape, including mountains, forests, lakes, rivers, and the Baltic Sea coastline. Warsaw is the capital and largest city of Poland, known for its historic old town and vibrant cultural scene. Krakow, another popular city in Poland, is famous for its well-preserved medieval architecture and historic sites. Poland has a rich history dating back thousands of years, with influences from various cultures and civilizations. Polish cuisine is known for dishes such as pierogi, kielbasa, bigos, and osypek, which reflect traditional cooking methods and ingredients. Poland is a member of the European Union, NATO, and the United Nations, playing a role in European and global politics. The Polish economy is one of the largest in Central Europe, with industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, and tourism contributing to its growth. Copernicus, the famous astronomer who introduced the heliocentric theory, was born in Poland in 1473. Poland boasts 16 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including Wieliczka Salt Mine, Auschwitz-Birkenau, and Malbork Castle. The country is known for its traditional folk art and crafts, such as pottery, embroidery, and wood carving, which are still practiced today. The Wawel dragon, a legendary creature from Polish folklore, is featured in statues and stories throughout Krakow. Poland has a strong literary tradition, with famous authors like Adam Mickiewicz, Czesław Miłosz, and Wisława Szymborska attracting international acclaim. The Polish flag consists of two horizontal stripes, white on top and red on the bottom, symbolizing courage, purity, and freedom. Poland is home to the Białowieża Forest, one of the last primeval forests in Europe and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The country has a long tradition of classical music, with composers like Frédéric Chopin and Krzysztof Penderecki achieving worldwide recognition. Poland has a strong Catholic heritage, with the majority of the population identifying as Roman Catholic and attending church regularly. The Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth, a historic union between Poland and Lithuania, was one of the largest and most powerful nations in Europe during the 16th and 17th centuries. Poland is known for its colorful Easter traditions, including decorating eggs, making Easter baskets, and participating in processions and church services. The Warsaw Uprising of 1944, a major resistance operation against the Nazi occupation, is commemorated annually in Poland with events and memorials. Poland has a rich tradition of folk music and dance, with regional styles and costumes reflecting the country's diverse cultural heritage. The Solidarity movement, led by Lech Walesa in the 1980s, played a key role in ending communist rule in Poland and inspiring similar movements across Eastern Europe. The Tatra Mountains, located in southern Poland, are a popular destination for hiking, skiing, and other outdoor activities. Poland has a strong tradition of visual arts, with artists like Stanisław Wyspiański, Jacek Malzuski, and Tamara de Lempicka making significant contributions to the art world. The Polish national anthem, Mazurek Dąbrowskiego, was written in 1797 and has been the country's official anthem since 1926. The Malbork Castle, a medieval fortress in northern Poland, is the largest castle in the world by land area and the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Pope John Paul II, born Karol Józef Wojtyła in Poland, served as the head of the Catholic Church from 1978 to 2005. Poland is known for its vibrant Christmas traditions, including decorating Christmas trees, attending midnight mass, and exchanging gifts on Christmas Eve. The Baltic Sea coast in Poland is a popular holiday destination, with sandy beaches, seaside resorts, and quaint fishing villages attracting tourists from all over Europe. The Polish language has 32 letters and is written in the Latin alphabet, with unique diacritics such as the ogonek and the acute accent. The Battle of Grunwald, fought in 1410, was a decisive victory for the Polish-Lithuanian forces against the Teutonic Knights and other Germanic allies. The Warsaw Pact, a military alliance of communist countries led by the Soviet Union, was headquartered in Warsaw, Poland from 1955 to 1991. Poland is famous for its vodka, with brands like Żebrałka, Chopin, and Belvedere gaining international recognition for their quality and craftsmanship. The Crooked Forest, a grove of oddly shaped pine trees in western Poland, has puzzled scientists and visitors for decades with its mysterious origins. The Polish eagle, a national symbol depicting a white eagle on a red shield, has been used as a coat of arms for Poland since the Middle Ages. Poland has a strong tradition of theater and film, with directors like Andrzej Wajda, Krzysztof Kieślowski, and Agnieszka Holland earning critical acclaim and awards. The Oder River, one of the longest rivers in Europe, flows through western Poland and serves as a vital waterway for transportation and trade. Poland is known for its castles and palaces, with architectural gems like Wawel Castle, the Royal Castle in Warsaw, and Mosna Castle attracting visitors from around the world. The Battle of Warsaw, fought in 1920 during the Polish-Soviet War, was a turning point in Polish history and helped secure the country's independence. Poland is a paradise for nature lovers, with national parks, nature reserves, and wildlife sanctuaries preserving the country's biodiversity and natural beauty. Marie Curie, the famous scientist and Nobel laureate, was born in Warsaw, Poland in 1867 and made groundbreaking discoveries in the field of radioactivity. The mazurek, a traditional Polish folk dance in triple meter, is a popular form of music and entertainment at weddings, festivals, and other celebrations. Poland is known for its amber jewelry, with the Baltic Sea coast producing some of the finest amber in the world and attracting collectors and tourists alike. The Battle of Vienna, fought in 1683, was a historic victory for the Polish-Lithuanian forces and their allies against the Ottoman Empire, saving Europe from a potential invasion. Poland has a thriving craft beer scene, with microbreweries and beer festivals showcasing a wide variety of styles and flavors to discerning beer enthusiasts. The Warsaw Ghetto Uprising, a courageous act of resistance by Jewish fighters against the Nazis in 1943, is commemorated in Poland as a symbol of defiance and solidarity.